Well, that rain draws ever closer. Been watching it overnight and into early this morning. You can see it's creeping up on us on the MaxTrack Live Doppler. You've got widespread showers across northern Kentucky, and it's filling in across western and southwestern counties. So we are about to get wet to start your Mother's Day weekend off. There's the map in motion. More substantial rain back towards western Kentucky, heavier rain, and even some isolated rumbles of thunder out in that direction. Severe storms diving across Texas. As we zoom in a little bit there, you can see a severe thunderstorm watch that was expanded out ahead of that batch of, numerous severe thunderstorm warnings. So a very active morning for them across southern Arkansas, getting into northern Louisiana and northeast Texas. Low pressure pretty much pushes right overhead today, and we are going to get wet. Yeah, and it's going to be gusty, and it's going to be chilly, and it's going to be, well, miserable. I wish I could put a better spin on it. The good news for the remainder of the weekend is that we will dry out and the sunshine will return. The bad news is the colder air that's coming in behind this departing system. It is going to be frigid by May standards. High pressure ridges in. The combination of that and clouds breaking up and the winds backing off overnight means we will have a cold Saturday morning. And then that high will slide east, so it won't be quite as cold later in the weekend, but still pretty chilly even into Mother's Day. So here's how it looks precipitation-wise, anywhere from about a half an inch to an inch of rain. And as far as that cold goes, well, we're in the 50s and 40s now. We're not going to move a whole lot temperature-wise today. We'll hover in the 50s, and then we will crash tonight. So cold, in fact, that we have a freeze warning out and across the entire area except for far western Kentucky. And that freeze warning is expansive from Minneapolis to the mountains down towards Asheville and all the way out towards northern Jersey there, north of Philly. So we've got quite a bit of cold that's going to invade the U.S. And I mean, just look at the overnight lows. Our average low is 52. We're shooting for mid-20s. If we hit 26 degrees tomorrow morning, that would tie our all-time coldest May low, which was set May 10th, 1966. The record low for tomorrow morning, which is not the 10th, obviously, 31 degrees in 1923. And there you can see the records for the next few days. Best chance to set one will be tomorrow morning, although we may get close Tuesday if that cold air hangs in there. The average freeze, hard freeze, frost dates, all the different temperature thresholds, we're well beyond most of that. So yeah, this is some unusual cold for us, and unfortunately it is going to probably cause some damage tomorrow morning. Fruit trees, agricultural interests, backyard gardeners, look out. There's a sliver of hope though, the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. This is mid to eventually getting into later May 15th and onward. It does show that we may actually trend above normal. May see a pattern flipped and a transition over to some warmer temperatures. Fingers crossed we can hang on to that. Showers, gusty, cloudy, and dreary. 50s today, down to the mid to upper 20s tonight. I don't think everyone's going to make a run into the mid to upper 20s. A lot of folks may just drop around to around freezing. But even just the widespread frost tomorrow morning could cause its own damage. So yeah, not a good Saturday morning for us. Still cold, but maybe above freezing Mother's Day morning, and then still chilly next week with that warm up out there. Shower and storm chances out there toward the end of the 8th day as well.